The World Health Organization has cited poor mental health as one of the leading predictors of disability and economic burden. Among children and adolescents, mental health difficulties are prevalent across the world. One factor that may protect against the development of mental health difficulties is participation in organized youth sport. Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I am Dr. Nandita Mohan and I am going to talk about how team sport activities may help protect against mental health difficulties. Previous research has consistently suggested that youth participation in organized sports might help protect against mental health issues. However, some studies have linked youth sports participation to worsen their mental health, so more research is definitely needed to determine which approaches to sports might be most beneficial. Now, to combat this query or question, a large-scale study of children and adolescents has found that participation in a team sport activity is associated with lower mental health difficulties, but that kids who are exclusively involved in an individual sport, such as either tennis or wrestling, may face greater mental health difficulties than kids who do no sports at all. These findings are published in the PLOS One journal. The study wherein analyzed close to 11,000 kids aged 9 to 13 years on their sport habits and their mental health. The researchers looked for any associations between the mental health data and the kids' sports habits, while also accounting for other factors that might impact their mental health, such as an household income or the overall physical activity per se. The analysis showed that kids involved in team sports were less likely to have signs of anxiety, depression, withdrawal, social problems, and even attention problems. The researchers also expected that individual sports to be associated with fewer mental health difficulties, even if to a lesser extent than for team sports. However, they instead found that children who exclusively played individual sports tended to have greater mental health issues than those who did not play sports at all. Overall, these findings add to a growing body of evidence that playing team sports is positively associated with mental health for children as well as adolescents. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.